Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how do you use Facebook ads to sell your event tickets? That's exactly what we're gonna see inside this video. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do, right? Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future videos. All right, so let's jump into this video right now. I'm gonna walk you through the strategy, the landing pages, and everything that we're doing with the Facebook ads. So first of all, here is the strategy. I want to show you what we did, but also I want to share with you the strategy so you can test something similar for you or maybe for your client. So this is everything. This is the whole system behind selling your event tickets. And by the way, you can use this strategy to sell online courses, webinars, event tickets, you name it. If you have high ticket products or services, you can use this process. So what we do is we use Facebook ad and then we send traffic to a landing page, which is super relevant. And when people buy, they go to a thank you page. And obviously we use Facebook Pixel so we can retarget people who are not buying and such and so forth. So make sure you have a Facebook pixel on the landing pages and also the thank you pages. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, there are three type of audiences that you can test: the cold audience, warm audience, and hot. So cold basically means these people have never heard of you, they've never engaged with you, they don't know who you are. And warm audiences, people, they know who you are, but they probably have not engaged with you. And hot audience means people who know who you are, they have no like and trust factor with you or your brand, and also they are super engaged. Now let me ask you this: if you're trying to sell something, an event, tickets, courses, whatever, who do you think is most likely to buy? And if you answer the hot, you are exactly right. So this is one mistake that I have made in the past and that I see a lot of people making, that you are trying to sell a high ticket product and service and you try to target cold audience. And what happens if people don't know you, like you, or trust you, they're not going to buy from you, right? So make sure you have the right strategy in place. So now let me show you the landing page we're using and what type of results we're getting. So here's the landing page that we have. And basically we're using video on the top. There is a countdown timer to tell people they gotta buy like right now. There's video explaining the event details, other information. We're using testimonials right here. So it's a really well done event page or a landing page. Details, and then what we're going to cover inside this event. And now let's look at the pricing. So if you scroll down, I believe there are two options. So people can buy $297 or $497. So it's pretty expensive. It's not a cheap event, right? Now let's go to the Facebook ads, and I want to show you what we are doing and what type of results we're getting. And obviously we do have a Facebook Pixel installed on this page. Now let me jump into the ads manager. So here we are. Here's the campaign that we have been running. Let's look at the data for the last 7 days. And if you look at this, so we're spending $10 per day. So not spending a lot of money. And so far we got 2 registrations. And how do we know this? Because we have a custom conversion set up for the thank you page. And how much we paid per result? So we are paying $36 per sale or per conversion. Now, if you do the math, so people are buying, this is a really high ticket product. So obviously this is working really well. And now let me show you the reason this is working is this is what we're doing. We are targeting people who are familiar with the brand. They have no like and trust factor with us, and then asking them to buy the event ticket. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, hey, Ali, I don't have hot audience, so what do we do? And actually, we were in the same situation. What we have done is let me actually show you some of the targeting options. So one of the things that's working really well for this campaign is we actually created a educational video. We showed that video to cold audience, and then we created a retargeting audience of people who have watched major portion of that video. So that's a way that you can take cold audience and warm them up, or make them hot, so to speak, so they are familiar with your brand. So let's go back here, and I believe we're using, yeah, right here. So we're using people who have watched the 50% of that video, and we're also targeting the email list. So this is something you want to be careful about. If you don't have hot audience, which means people who are not super engaged, then you want to create a strategy or a system where you can take the cold audience and then make them warm or get them familiar with your brand, your product, and your service before asking them to buy anything. Because if you think about this, most people, or I've made the same mistake, we will go create ads and ask cold audience to buy something. Guess what? They don't want to buy. They don't know us. They don't like us. They don't trust us, right? So super important. It's something that you can test. There are a lot of other ways that you can use to make sure you have the right strategy in place while selling the event tickets. But one of the things that you can test is take a video and educate people. And we're using the same video that we have on the landing page. So we're using something like this. So there's already a video that tells people what the event is and all the details. So that's something you can test. Create a video about your event, your product, show it to cold people, and then create a retargeting audience. And then, so it's a two-step process. Then ask them to purchase your event or your product. All right, let's go back, and now I want to show you the actual ad that we're using. So here's the ad. It's super simple. It's an image ad that we're using. Let's actually wait. So right here, nothing fancy here. The picture, if you're a personal brand, if you're well-known speaker, consultant, then using your image is always something that can work really well. And then for the copy, super simple. One thing that I have seen that works really well for us recently is using the testimonials of your previous events, previous products, and then keeping it really simple, asking people to register, give them the link to the landing page. And that's it, guys. So it's working really well for us. And let me go back to the strategy. And here's the, if you're using Facebook ads, this is exactly the type of process that you can test for your business or your client. So use Facebook ads and drive people to a landing page. Make sure you have a pixel installed on that landing page. And then when they hit buy, make sure you also have pixel installed on the thank you page so you can track the conversion. You can also optimize for the conversion. And you can also exclude people who have already bought from your targeting. And then the thing on the targeting is there are three types of people: cold, warm, and hot. So make sure you select the right type of audience. You show them the right type of message at the right time. That is the key. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.